The Lost Treasure Island. What would you do if you found an old treasure map? Two best friends set out on a journey to find hidden riches, but what they discovered was more valuable than gold. Ali and Humza were two close friends living in a small coastal village. It was summer vacation, and every day they dreamed of going on great adventures by the sea. One day, while playing in an old library, Humza discovered a dusty piece of paper inside an ancient book. When Ali unfolded it, they were both amazed. It was a treasure map. The map showed a distant island, and at a spot marked golden lights, a treasure was buried. Excited, they immediately began preparing for their journey. They rented a small boat. The boys excitedly filled a room with a globe and gear. Ali packing snacks and water in a backpack. Humza collecting tools like a shovel, compass, and rope. The boys renting a small wooden boat from a fisherman. Sunrise over the sea as they prepare to leave. The boys waving goodbye to the village as they set sail. The boat sailing across blue ocean waves under the morning sun. A sudden gust of wind making the ocean choppy, the boys holding on to the boat. The boat passing strange rocks and sea creatures. Humza navigating with the map while Ali rows, focused expressions. A small island appearing in the distance under the sun. The boys docking the boat on the island shore, lush greenery in background. The island looks mysterious and quiet, thick trees and mist. The boys walking into the forest with determination. A monkey watching them curiously from a tree. The boys checking the map at a fork in the trail, unsure which path to take. They cross a wooden bridge over a small river. One of them slips slightly, the other catches him. Moment of trust. The boys discover the tall coconut tree beside three large rocks. They drop their bags and begin digging, teamwork in action. The shovel hits something solid, their eyes widen. They clear dirt to reveal a buried wooden chest, ancient and dusty. The boys slowly opening the treasure chest, anticipation on their faces. Inside the chest, a letter and a few antique coins, no gold. Humza reading the letter aloud, Ali listening carefully. A flashback image within the letter showing old explorers working together. The boys reacting with surprise, then deep thought. They sit down together, realizing the meaning of the message. Ali pats Humza on the back, smiling in appreciation. They laugh about the adventure and how far they've come. The boys take one last look at the island before packing up. They gently place the letter and coins in their bag. As they walk back, the monkey waves goodbye. They push the boat into the water and hop in. The island fades into the distance behind them. A peaceful sea as they sail home, sunset in the background. They arrive back at the village dock, tired but happy. The boys returning to their homes with smiles on their faces. Ali showing the letter to his little sister, she looks amazed. Humza's parents listening as he tells the story proudly. The boys preparing a presentation for school. Classroom scene where Ali and Humza stand in front of classmates. They show the antique coins and read the letter aloud. Classmates clapping and cheering, inspired expressions. The teacher smiling and nodding in approval. The boys hanging the map on a classroom wall for everyone to see. Friends gathering around them asking questions. The boys walking home together, talking and laughing. A sunset shot of the boys on the beach, silhouettes against the waves. The treasure chest rests, empty but meaningful. A quote from the letter written in the sand, the true treasure is friendship. Ali and Humza high-fiving with smiles, title overlay The Lost Treasure Island. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.
If you like the story, then like, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.